Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend, I'm Rafika, a member of a Chilli's group, and this video is dedicated of anyone who wants to know the product of making Korean hotdog. If you are curious, please keep on watching.
Okay guys, I will tell you about our product. Our product is Korean hot dog. And here is for the ingredients. The first one we have flour, and then breadcrumbs, and then mayonnaise, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, sauce. You can use tomato sauce or chili sauce, and then potato, sausage, and egg. First, put the flour into the bowl. And then now we pour the flavoring into the bowl, or you can use salt, pepper, and then garlic. But in this case, we use the MSG. We pour to the bowl like this. Next, we pour the water into the bowl of flour like this, and then we mix it. And then we cut the potato like this, or whatever you want to cut.
To show you the process video of making our product, a Korean hot dog. Now, as you can see in this one, her name is Kay and Mutia, and they are doing the Korean hot dog. They are currently applying cheese and also potato to the sausage.
Yes, make sure your hand is
And
hygienic.
next on is Rafika, who are currently applying flour or batter to the sausage, and she will give it to Mutia Yasin. Now, I think that is all for our process making.
Okay, what are you doing right now?
We put the flour into the sausage with the mozzarella. Yes. Now we put the potato to the sausage with flour.
Before that, we already
Put
put the mozzarella.
This is the first variant. We put the potato.
And now we move to the second version of Korean hot dog. This is different with the first version. In the first version, we using the potato, but in this version we using the breadcrumbs to the sausage. You can look to the process. Yeah, the process.
We will make the second variant of hot dog. We put the egg, and then we pour the breadcrumbs. And then we put the egg to the sausage with flour.
What is for?
To make the breadcrumbs get into the sausage.
These are the variants of our product. This is the first version, the second, the third, and this one is our fourth version, and that is the leftover.
Then we fry it to the.
Udah panas kan?
Oh, hot.
second variant of Korean hot dog.
You can see, so big.
Okay, I think that's all. What do you think? Do you already know how to make the Korean hot dog? If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share with your friends. I'm Rafika Nuraini. I will close this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.